a.m. on a private flight. All this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Even blow like a whistle, lie to officials. I'll drip you down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill. I caught your line, tell me, and I fuck with you still. So many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Fuck nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Steppin' and swinging, I'm running shit, I might run for Senate. I got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Bring my doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. Bring them niggas every since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see it, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Bring her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in her eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffin'. Bring my corner baby doggy psyched out still. Your baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spending still. Lifestyle shit get twisted, I've been living shady. I've been beating up that sack like I'm Devin Haney. I don't need a rap friend, I'ma step solo. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up the mall. I just beat up my wrist, I was ducking IRS. I was taking that risk, I was taking that bitch. I was flying air drakes, I was taking that switch. Bitch, yeah. They gave me hands at 18, ain't know what to do. I fucking sack up at the jeweler, I was going stupid. Fell in love with the teller, I don't know Q. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do it. Anywhere, everywhere, he don't give a damn. Empty the club, reload the club, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby on cam. Go take a quote, I copped the RP, a couple lambs. That boy's not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grow up better than Adonis Graham. Sus.
She tried to take me nowhere in this cat, nigga can't even see me on wind. She tried to flight, nigga, in this cat. She tried to flight me no way out of here. She tried to flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far to sky. Hermes ash for the dawn, my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin on Zooties and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turning up and I guess. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a beggar. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Taking the mud I made out of the sword. Chrome heart accessory, do double, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship ranges gon' amp the shit. Bitch breaking ninjas, look at the key. Heard it and found them, but make it in Canada. Bro, we just money like they my religion. This could be a man, they'll stand in for any of these niggas that try to compare with whatever I did. Them that touched the hundreds, this up the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I took about a bellows, been put on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. Ain't know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter what I'm in. I have touch of action, I'm basic Korean. You fuckin' me good, bitch, you definitely win.
Oh, you went Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you went 2 extra M. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin. Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went hands on. Oh, you went singing. Oh, you went demon. You not the demon, man. Oh, you had king, yeah. Now that was scream, yeah. Hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want to wall it all my hole. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I want to play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you trying to steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field and the field. Hey, you want to steal in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo.